Yo, good morning, guys. Hope all's well. Today is, I have no idea. Oh, June 12th, 2023. Going to a no AC call in Mount Kisco, New York. It says just no AC. I don't know what else. There's no history on the call. But I hope your weekend was good. It was nice here. It was like 78 degrees, 80 degrees both days, Saturday, Sunday. And sunny. But today you still have that smoke in the air from Canada. They said it's supposed to let up tomorrow because of the winds or whatever. But it's been coming and going. Like sometimes you'll see blue skies, sometimes you'll see this, which is gray. But anyway, let's see what this is. How you doing?
How are you?
How's everything? What's
What's
going on?
So the air is not cold coming out.
Is it, do you feel it forced? Is it like forced air? Do you feel it powerful like normal or no? Okay.
So a little less. This is
Can I
rich.
come?
Okay.
Rich, you said?
Yeah, rich.
On top of the block.
So right here, you have a capacitor.
Okay.
And this wire comes off of your contactor and feeds to the capacitor, which runs the compressor. Got a helicopter. So I went inside and checked the filter. It was good. They have a double A April Air 213. That's clean. We came out here, found our capacitor. Wire melted off, burned off. And we do, like I said, have a chopper flying around, so I couldn't get that in footage. But that's okay. Make a new wire. Clean this up a little. Nice tool. Nice capacitors. I love these. I don't love them. I mean, if I had a 70, I would use that. But they're great in a pinch. And they last. They really do. Made in America. But they really just last 100%. You got your 50 and 20. Make your 70. Your common's right here in the middle. Common, and here's my compressor. She said she has a problem with her zoning inside too. Something, basement zone's not working. I'm gonna go check that out too. But I'm gonna check the pressures right now on this and see what we come up with. This should be fine. I just wanna check it while I'm here. I want to give a shout out to Chris and Blake at Johnstone Supply in White Plains, New York. I was in there on Friday, and Chris came over to me. He's like, "Yo, I want to introduce you to somebody." And it was this guy Blake who also works there, and I guess they saw me on YouTube. And I asked Chris, I was like, "How'd you know it was me?" He's like, "Paulie V." I know your voice, bro. So shout out Johnstone, White Plains, New York. Best supply house to me. It's the best supply house that I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot of them. They always answer the phone. Their counter service is amazing, and they have most of the time what you need. So Johnstone Supply everywhere. Coming to a theater near you. Let this equal out. Just put it to R410. And we want our subcooling. Okay. Let that just run for about 10 minutes like that. I'm gonna do my superheat. Let this run. And then we'll go check that zoning inside. Should be good. Got 11 superheat, 13 subcool. Alright, I'm gonna change this for her. Yeah, I think I asked her to bring it down low. She has it set at 70, so we're gonna bring it to 68. 70, okay. Yo, that's a Rizap. The place is all set. She didn't have a zoning issue downstairs. She had a battery dead in her thermostat. So I didn't even film that. The guy was chopping around. She was awesome. He was cool too. They were both cool, but just a little chopper. Yo, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.